Groups and artists gathered at the People Power sa QC event to mark the start of activities for the 40th anniversary of the 1986 People Power Revolution. Mobile journalist Ivan Tarinque has this report.
The People Power sa QC event kicked off the celebration for the upcoming 40th anniversary of the historic 1986 People Power Revolution. The gathering, held at the Quezon City Memorial Circle, highlighted the theme, Awit at Aksyon kontra Korupsyon, bringing together music and advocacy on one stage. Several OPM icons took part in the event, performing songs closely associated with the spirit of EDSA. Ai Sigera opened the main program with the performance of Bayan Ko, drawing strong emotions from the crowd. Brothers Arkin Magalona and Elmo Magalona also took stage performing Kaleidoscope World, a song by the late king of rap, Francis Magalona. Meanwhile, Evidancel serenaded attendees with his songs Makita Ka Muli and Burnout. For many in attendance, the event was more than just a concert. It also served as a platform to show that the youth remain engaged in national issues.
Kasabay ng pag-aalaala natin sa EDSA, kasabay din ng pagkuha natin ng pananagutan para sa lumalalang korupsyon at dinasya sa ating bansa.
The event aimed to show that peaceful action and civic participation remained alive for decades after EDSA.
Troubled ang country natin, obviously, and divided. Maraming maling akala, maling paniniwala. Marami din na tama, pero we don't see them as much.
On Sunday, a prayer power gathering was also held at the EDSA Shrine, led by Cardinal Pablo Virgilio David. Among those present were Senator Bam Aquino, Representatives Percy Sendenya, and Attorney Chel Jokno.
1987 Constitution, hindi man ito perpekto, ito'y bunga ng EDSA. People Power. And it has taken us 40 years to evaluate it.
On February 25, the third leg of the Trillion Peso March is set to take place at the People Power Monument, coinciding with the anniversary of EDSA People One. Kapatid Mobile Journal Ivan Tarinque, we are One News.